I'm a pizzaiolo. It's different than the chef. Every time I make pizza and I deliver the pizza, I deliver one piece of history of my country. My name is Roberto Caporuscio, the owner, founder, pizzaiolo with my daughter, the Kesté. We have a 3 restaurant now, it's called Kesté. The Acunto, it's one of the old family in Naples. It's the history behind this oven. Why I still use Acunto? Because of the quality. That is very well insulated and don't lose the heat. When you have the right temperature, you cook the pizza perfect all the time. If you don't have a good oven, forget it.